Hello there, it's Sanu, your again enthusiast back again. Nice to see you all.
Today I'm sharing some new IKEA arrivals. I've got some great picks, especially in kitchen items and cooling bedding, so let's get into it. Can you believe it's already August? And when I think of August, I think of Halloween. So, these new freezer bags caught my eye. This year, they come in a ghost print and a spider print, as a set of 2. They're on the smaller side, so I think they're perfect for holding treats. These freezer bags tend to sell out fast, so if you want them, I'd grab them early. They're just so adorable. I still have last year's, but I have a feeling I'll end up buying these too. It seems like this year, there are a lot of these ghost and cloud motifs. In North America, it looks like the full lineup is already out, and once we get details here, I'll share them with you. Now, this is something I was really looking forward to seeing. This is a knife holder. It has built-in magnets, so you can attach your knives like this. I was actually surprised when I saw it in person. The board is really thick, and it feels so solid. Looking at the display, it seems like you could stand about 3 knives on it. The wood grain is similar to other IKEA items, so I think it would give your kitchen a cohesive look. Now we're in the baking section. They had these silicone cake pans. There was a deeper round one, about 8 inches or 20 centimeters across, and a square one. The handles are nice and big, so they look easy to use. And of course they're oven safe. It said they can handle up to about 437 degrees Fahrenheit. This square one is about 10 by 10 inches, 25 by 25 centimeters, so it's pretty large. When I visited, these were the only 2, but on other countries' sites, it looks like there's a muffin pan too. I'm really hoping it comes to Japan as well. The silicone looks like it wouldn't stick much, so I'd love to try it. This is a pie dish. I'd been wanting a small pie dish like this, so I picked it up. I'll show you my haul a little later. Now, this is the bag section. Do you all know about this? It's a bit of a hidden hit at IKEA. It's this waterproof bag. They've given it a refresh, and the color is now brown. The strap part rolls up at the top like this. And once you clip the buckle, your things stay completely dry inside. Oh, and it looks like the name has changed a little from before. People use it for the beach, kayaking, camping, and other outdoor activities. And now there's a new, larger size. It works on the same principle as those high-end dry bags, but at this price, so it got really popular. The durability is probably different, but even in this bigger size, it's still this affordable. So I think it's easy to give a try. I have a feeling this one's going to be a hit too. It could easily hold a whole set of swimwear. If you're a fan of these, I'd love to hear how you use them. It's been a while, but I ended up buying this reusable shopping bag. It's a lightweight bag that IKEA puts out seasonally every year. The pattern changes each time, so grab one when you find a design you love. I honestly already have a bunch of them, but this time my daughter really wanted this pattern, so I bought it. It's so light and compact that it really comes in handy for shopping or when your luggage grows while you're traveling. It has 2 types of handles, short ones and long ones, which is surprisingly handy. You'll want to tear this tag off gently. I just noticed the name has changed from what it used to be. It had been called the Silicone for the longest time. Since these rotate seasonally, the older ones tend to go on sale. At stores here, the green one is marked down across the board, and depending on the store, some other patterns are cheaper too. Whenever I travel, I always tuck one of these into my bag as a spare. And since they're so affordable, you can use them freely without worrying, which is really nice. Now let me show you this heat-resistant dish. I've been using my steam oven a lot lately, so I really wanted a dish that's oven safe. From the left, it's food safe, microwave safe, dishwasher safe, and heat resistant, up to about 480 degrees Fahrenheit. It's made of glass. At first, I thought it didn't need to come as a set of 4, but they're incredibly useful. When you look at it from the side, there's a subtle pattern, and it's really lovely. I like that it has this understated simple design. Let me try making a few egg dishes with it. I'll spray a little olive oil into the dish. Eggs really stick like crazy, right? That's something I'm not a fan of. But I wanted to be able to bake eggs easily in the oven, so let's give it a go. I thought it was just the right size for holding 1 egg. This is my steam oven. I'm not heating it in the microwave. The size turned out to be a perfect fit for an English muffin. It's not too tall, so it fit perfectly on the top rack of the oven. And what almost worked was that it fits nicely into a bamboo steamer too. The height was fine, but it was a little too wide. This is Muji's bamboo steamer, so 2 of them just barely wouldn't fit. You could bake a gratin in it, and since it looks so simple, it's not just for use as a baking dish. You could have yogurt or a salad in it. It goes with just about anything, so I thought it was the ultimate dish. Now, back in the store, let me keep showing you the new arrivals. First, from this green room, let me show you some cushion covers. There are lots of new cushion covers, and this season they're really colorful. This one, I think it's a sunflower print, has the same pattern on the back too. It really feels like they're circling back to colorful designs, doesn't it? This cushion cover in the room set is also a new item. It has some earthy tones mixed in, so I think it blends into a room while still becoming a focal point. The round one on the right is new too, and it's not a cover, but a full cushion with the insert included. It has a bit of a velvety texture. When you want to change up the vibe of a room, cushion covers are just so great. And at IKEA, you can try them at an affordable price, which is really nice. This one is multicolored too, but the tones are a bit more muted, and I thought it was lovely. This one is designed by a Swedish designer named Helene. Over in the bed section, this cushion was on display. It was styled together with pink and red striped bedding. The soft pink tied it all together. This comforter cover is so pretty too, and it's new. For those of you who are good at sewing, how about some fabric by the cut? There are lots of new ones out. Now, I don't sew at all, so I can't say much, but isn't this adorable? It's a really long dog, and it's so charming. There are also ones with this checkered pattern, and lots of new designs, so please take a look. It's sold in about 59 by 118 inches. Now, back to that green room from earlier. This is a simple shelf, and it originally comes in white and in a variety of sizes. It's about 12 inches or 30.5 centimeters tall, so it's just tall enough to fit a file box. This desk lamp comes in green too. You can adjust the angle, which is handy, and I actually own the white one, but this design is really lovely too. The lines are thin and simple, so it looks clean, and I love that about it. That green mouse on top of the shelf is actually a speaker. This room set had been redecorated. Let's take a look at the latest room set together. Unexpectedly, in this room, I got to see a new item I'd been really looking forward to. Isn't it just gorgeous? It's this green shelf. The combination of the metal texture and the wooden shelves is so pretty, isn't it? I did think it would be even better if this part were hidden storage, but you could set plants here, or just use some boxes, I figured. The muted color was really lovely. Each shelf holds up to about 33 pounds, or 15 kilograms, so you could easily put a printer on it. It comes with casters that have a locking function, and the casters are in this matching green too. It felt pretty sturdy and stable, and it looked great from the side too. I'm pretty sure a couple of creators I follow, Hidemaru and Butajiru, had something similar in their lovely homes. This compact desk is from the Carl Lax series. And there it is, the new wall rack. It's surprisingly large and solid for the price. It's perfect for displaying or storing your fan merch and collectibles. This whole wall is green, which is pretty amazing. Even the stool is green. I'm guessing orange is the accent color, with green as the base. This one just came out in orange. It's a monitor stand. But even IKEA styles it without a monitor on top, like this. This green wall shelf is a really popular item too. It's been popular for ages and tends to be out of stock. Sorry, we're heading back across the room again, but there was the NISSAFORS mini utility cart on display. What I want to highlight is that a box called the Kugis was used as a divider. It fits perfectly. I had no idea that this mini size sits along the length and fits just right. This room set has so many orange accessories that it feels like they've collected every orange item they could find. This is actually a kid's rinsing cup, but they'd put a cactus in it. There's a TV set up here, with storage covering the whole wall. It's the EKET series. Within the series, this is one of the shallower options. But as you can see, it's still deep enough to fit a file box nicely. All the way back there, it's all the EKET series. And here's the accent color orange sofa. This one is unusually compact for IKEA. I have a feeling this compact type might only be sold in Asia. I think people picture IKEA as big furniture, but there are compact types like this too, so definitely please check it out. This classic room set is a total change of pace from the last one. But it's a classic room set, and there was a really lovely new item out here. So let me show you. It really caught me off guard, but it's this desk. Can you believe such a round, elegant desk exists? For anyone who wants a genuinely pretty room, how about this? And yet the design isn't overly cute, so I think it gives off an elegant vibe. I couldn't film it very well, so let me head to the desk section. Well, since it's round, the corners and the drawers are on the smaller side, but the handle design is really lovely too. On top of the cabinet, there was a new vase on display. Honestly, once a vase gets to about this size, it looks pretty even with nothing in it. This is an LED candle style light. The display sample didn't have batteries in it, so I couldn't light it up. But it's a lovely product. It flickers like a real flame. There's one more desk I want to show you. This one has a practical design. It's made entirely of bamboo, so it seems great for when you have a Japandi-style room and want your desk to blend right in. It has this interesting build where half is a drawer and the other half is like an open shelf. There's a bit of space in the back, so it looks like you can tuck a power strip back there. The thing sitting on top is a separate product. It's a monitor stand. The colors match so well that it looks like a set. The desk that's all solid wood like this is really nice too, I thought. This is the Trotten series, which is more of an office line, but this drawer unit is so pretty, isn't it? I love the color. Since it's made for the office, this series is known for being nice and sturdy. One thing I did notice though, is that all 3 drawers are the same depth. I guess everything's paperless these days. There was a time when I used the bottom drawer for document files. Even so, the color was so pretty that I was really drawn to it. This is a bamboo floor light. It's new and it's a series I've had my eye on. This was the first time I'd seen it styled in a room set like this, and the bulb had more of a presence than I expected, honestly. It's not super bright at all though. I think it would look great in a Japanese-style room with a closet like this. And this table light from the same series looks really easy to use. The oval shape gives it a modern feel, and I think it strikes a nice balance. It's set up here like a side table, but it isn't portable, so please keep that in mind. By the way, this side table is fairly new as well, and it has a lovely matte texture. This bamboo lamp pairs really well with darker pieces like this, doesn't it? There was a wall lamp too. This one is a bit compact, so I thought it looked easy to use, and the bulb didn't feel harsh or glaring at all. It's brutally hot out there for everyone, but IKEA has cooling bedding. And here's my top pick. This is the one. It's this comforter. And here's why I recommend it. A lot of cooling bedding uses polyester for that cool-to-the-touch feel, but the surface material on this one is 100% lyocell. Polyester feels cool, but it doesn't absorb sweat, so it's said to get stuffy. Lyocell, on the other hand, is great at absorbing and releasing moisture, so it's said to stay less stuffy. The thing is, lyocell is known for being pricey, and it's considered pretty high-end even from other brands. But at IKEA, you can get it for a bit less. And the best part is that it's really thin, so you can wash it in the machine and even tumble dry it. So the dust mites die off too, which is reassuring. That's why I use mine without a cover. When you're looking at bedding from other brands too, definitely pay attention to the material when you choose. Is there anything among this year's IKEA new arrivals that you were really glad you bought? I'm thinking of making a video like that. There's still time left this year, so please let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. I'll see you again soon in the next video.